Okay, morning guys, morning. Okay, so guys, did you see what happened yesterday? It was something else. 15-11, they dropped on tea time, and as a 2 number, which was very good. I was so impressed. I always say to you guys, like, if the numbers don't come on lunch, always put them on tea, because that's what they do. You understand? So it was very good. For those who followed, I think you guys got something. Okay, so it's an advantage. These days what I always do, I put 5 bonuses. You can play those bonuses with 10 rand. Definitely you're going to get one of them correct. You understand? Or sometimes it comes as singles inside. Like the other day, there was 3 numbers. Like I posted 5 bonuses, then 3 numbers came from there. Which is, well, once you break your code, you will see which, okay, this number is there. And then maybe this is a show number, Okay, without wasting any time, guys, let's start breaking our codes. We start with code 128. Code 128. So we break this code like this. We say 12 plus 8, we get a 20. We say 12 minus 8, we get a 4. Then we say 1 plus 28, we get a 29. 1 minus 28, we get a 27. Then once you have these numbers like this, you can start pairing now from this code. Actually, what I can say here, because there's a 12, there's an 8, there's an 18. So what you can say, maybe let's say you choose 28 as your main banker. Now you start pairing 04, 28, 20, something like that. But what I've realized, these guys in a code like this, they do sometimes pick the 2 and put it there as a 218. Yeah, because I've seen these codes sometimes they don't have to do a lot of things, but it is very important for you to do everything that you can, so you can at least get 4 to 5 numbers, because I know everyone wants to play 4 to 5 numbers, to 6 numbers even. Some other apps, they allow you to play 6 numbers, especially Hasplay. You can play up to 6 numbers, they don't limit you. But that's a high risk, because if a 5 number drops, then so when you have to play a 6 number, you have to start from 3, 4, 5, 6, so that if that 6 does not drop, but you know that the 5 has dropped. If that 5 does not drop, the 4 has dropped. That's how you play your jackpot numbers. Because if you just play like 6 numbers, then one number takes you out, you will have a high blood pressure, trust me. Okay, and then now we go to the second code, which is 148. Okay, now we're going code by code. So let's say we choose our main banker as the 48 or 14. Cool. Then you say 1 plus 48, we get a 49. 1 minus that, you get a 47. Then we're not yet done. We're going to say 14 plus, 14 plus 8. What do we get? We get a 22. 14 minus 8. What do we get? We get a 6. Sometimes, do you see how I've broken this code? They do play like 14, 8, 22, 14, 8, 6. That's how I think we have to monitor, to pay our numbers according to this sequence, So let's say my banker is 48 now. I just go and say 48, 14, 48, 47, 48, 49. They like playing consecutive numbers like that. Then you come now and say 418, 418. You know what I'm thinking? If I see a number like 18 popping in and out like that, it simply means 18 is the banker for today. So now, before we go to the final pairing app, we just have to be sure about our bank, because the banker is most important thing in this game. 166. So okay, what we do here, we add and subtract. 16 plus 6 is a 24. It's a 22 again, which means 1822 is a sure number, because I found 22 twice. Then there's a 10 at the side and on the side. So which means the number that we can, maybe, let me say, you want to play, for example, you want to play 2 plus bonus. Let's say you're going to say 22, 18. Then you take your bonus 7. 22, 18, bonus 26. Say 22, 18, bonus 32. It's almost like you are trying to see, like, you are trapping them all the corners. You play 2 plus bonus, you play 4 numbers, you play 2 numbers. Then at the end of the day, one of them is gonna drop. Trust me, because now you're trapping all the corners, you know. So yeah, then I think we are comfortable with our bank as an 18. Then let us go to the pairing app. Before actually, yeah, let's start here, guys. Let's start here. We open this app for the 49s. Then now, I always do teach you guys about the home figures. It's very, very important. Trust me on that. Okay, so now, you know why I was actually sure about 11? Because when I went to the home figures from the previous draw, I saw that 11 came twice. So now the home figure of 11 is 2. Home figure of 15 is 7. So now I'm sure that 7 can drop as a bonus ball. The home figure of 22 is a 4. So instead of 22, maybe these guys will play a 4 or they'll repeat the 22. The home figure of 29 is an 11. So meaning that an 11 has appeared twice. Now we have a high chance of 11 to repeat. But I'll show you something about the 11. The home figure of 45 is 9. Home figure of 48 is a 12. Home figure of 33 is what? Is a 6. Okay. So now, these numbers like 11, 22, 33, 44, these are twins. So if these twins have played, it means now we're going to say 11 times 4. We get a 44. So a 44 has got a high chance of dropping. Then let me say we are comfortable with our bank as an 18. Let's now go to the 18 and see. Okay, we're going to go down there to the 18th and see what we have. Okay, cool. There we go. Now this is the 18th. So as you can see, 1822 is there. 1822 23. Please guys, make me a favor, play the pairing of 18. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So which means it's 8 lines. Take the 10 rand, go and play it. Actually it's 8 rand, which is you can go and play if you're playing 1 rand, but I don't recommend 1 rand because when you win you start having like I wish I put 2 rand. If you have to use 2 rand, maybe that should be how much? Let me see, 16 rand. You can take that as a 16 rand. Then we go to the pairing of 22 now. You know, sometimes they do hide a number like 22. You see, it's hidden, it's not there. There's only one pair. So we have to go to the analyze last. Then you press there and then it gives you a 150. So now you can now have maybe a few lines of 22, which is, can you see there? So which means 22 can come again today. So this is how it is. That's how you do your thing. You know, so yeah guys, keep on studying. Those who have the books, keep on practicing, watching the videos and subscribing. You're going to make it. But if you need to join, there is a link. I'm going to leave the link in the first comment of the video. Thank you very much.